I think being a part of this trade is something that I'll never take for granted, and I'm very grateful to be here today. It's been something that I've always wanted to compete in, and now being a fourth year, I'm eligible. And first time I got to compete, I was able to win it.
Had three welders that we were competing against, three different weld types, different processes, and also including torch cutting. Just showing off what we've learned on the job, in school, during this apprenticeship, just trying to make it look good.
We had to do 4 projects and different pipe types, different techniques, and it was just me and 3 other apprentices kind of doing the best we could, trying to figure it out. Some of the stuff was new to us, some of it was old to us, so I think it was a good experience for everybody.
It lets you know where you got to work at. You know? Like for me, tube bending is where I need more help.
I know these guys. I know their work. They're very good at what they do. They're very proficient, and it was really nerve-wracking to know someone that you're competing beside is competent and does good work over there. So you can only imagine that you worry about them when you're here.
I think more people should have an interest in competition, just so you can showcase your skill or where you're at.
Really went down to the wire. A lot of tough challenges today, some dissimilar metal brazing to pump alignment to furnace troubleshooting and an electrical schematic that stumps most. So it was a fun competition.
What makes this place special is that it's an opportunity for a career. So if I could tell myself in the past anything, it's if you're going to spend time figuring out what you want to do, you might as well use that time building towards a career.
This is something you can always use. You can live on it, and there's retirement there too.
I hope I can represent Local 72 as a good local. Hopefully the best local, maybe.
You get just about training in everything. You can apply the same methods to almost everything in the trades, and you are someone that you become reliable in every aspect. Coming out of high school, it was a really big toss-up whether I would go play college football or this, and I am so glad I decided to join the trades, because now I've been able to provide for my family. I have a beautiful wife and 2 children, and at the age of 22, I have more than I could ever imagine at my age.